Anyway, thanks for visiting me.
Don't worry, what are friends for? At least it's late. We are two. We can go home, so you just leave us here. Start going. Start going.
This girl, she thinks she's smart. And so, what happened? So you've not heard the news?
Heard what?
She's dating Abolo.
Hello? Me? Dating Abolo? Check the body. Hey! Check. Me? Dating Abolo? That old fool. That gold digger. Me? Hello? Hey, you. Are you not the one dating Abolo? Now you... Me? Look at this girl, oh. Hey, check this thing. Hey.
How can I date that old stranger? No, Abi, let me tell you people. Don't you people think that he might be married in his village before coming here?
I will see either old or young. He can still do it.
Look at you. In fact, I don't have time for you people. Ha! Let me tell you. Oh yeah, let's go. Go and sleep. Let's go. Look at them.
Don't you know we are popular? If you're not popular, then what's the essence of being alive?
You see, Abolo, this I said is getting out of hands.
Why?
I'll go back to our village where we are coming from.
So soon?
Yes.
What about our farmland?
I don't care.
Our children and our wives?
I don't care.
I'm not leaving this place.
Well, if you don't see me again, that means I'm gone.
Well, every man has the right to decide his own destiny. I call here home. They all love me.
That is you. If you don't see me again, that means I'm gone.
Hey! I'm here again!
Apollo! Okay, if you don't go, I'm going. What?
Mama Krika! Mama Krika! Come out!
Hey! Oh, God of our Lord, I thank you, my son! Oh, my son!
Mama, bring him water!
God of our Lord, I thank you, I thank you.
Africa!
My son is back, my son is back.
Mama, wash it, please.
Oh, God of our Lord, I thank you. Oh, where did you find him?
Mama, he was tied by a big tree.
What happened to you?
In the forest.
Oh, I thank you, God of our Lord, I thank you. Oh, God of our Lord.
My good friend. I've not been hearing your voice. When are they bringing the food?
What food?
Won't we eat?
Why? Why?
You've been eating, I've been working.
Why you also eating your own?
Hey!
What is that? I don't like what you have been doing. No.
You've eaten the whole thing. You're a wicked man.
Abolo, why? Why you also eating some? Abolo, you see, this is what I don't like. Oh. These are some of the behaviors you put across I don't like.
I'll start coming to your farm to assist you.
I will leave you. Abolo, see, I will leave you. If you want it that with me, I will leave you.
Okay,
You see. Hey!
Have you seen Mamka? The last time we met, you should have gone and looked for him in the house. Make a day too. Yes, sir. And why is he shouting? You want to know? I don't want to know, please. You should know by now. I'm looking for a wealthy man to get married to. Mr. Save your dream. Don't I look presentable? Of course you do, because you are my friend. I know you also need one, but
you have to learn how to cook, wash, and then sleep as well.
Exactly. I'm in search of a woman who knows how to cook good dishes for me and who can sweep my environment neatly and clean the inner room as well.
So, you have the gas to walk into our compound by this time of the night.
That's why I'm this community. For you. My heart desire.
So, we now look like your type. We've descended so low for you to go about harassing us.
Oh.
Life is not about typewriting. Life is all about who feels it, knows it much. And the closer together, the better forever.
Go! In fact, start going now.
You have overstayed your welcome. Bam.
Go. Hey!
Which one is this? You this talk woman. What is your own? What is your own? What is your problem?
And look at this one. Who has asked you anything?
My dear, tell me something.
And you, I can see it now. You are busy working for your mother.
Very good. You are very smart. You can see we are busy and you are still talking.
Shut up!
Go, my friend. Go and find yourself an old man.
Yeah,
we are dear. See this short woman. See the short woman.
Hey, whoa! God of Syria alone. But you told me you were going home.
Yes, she's going home now. Is it your problem? Do you know him?
Me?
My friend?
No.
What is your problem?
Do you know him?
Ebuka, she knows me. You can see we are here talking.
I am warning you.
Ebuka.
I am warning you.
What is your own?
The only girl I go out with.
The only girl?
Yes.
Look at you, as old as you. Is this your girlfriend?
Me and you, who is the eldest? Me and you is the eldest.
I want to marry her.
You want to marry her?
Yes.
Take your time, oh.
My friend, go.
Take your time, oh.
Go and find yourself an
old woman. Take your time.
Why are you people like this in this village? Huh? You just hate to see a very nice looking man with his girl. Then yo. What is your own? My friend.
Now you are back. Know how to talk and how to behave yourself. Please, I'm begging you. Eh?
Mama, I only have the girls to tell me. Because...
Hey, hello.
Eja.
Agrika. Krohinko na yemido. Hey!
Eja.
Krohinko na yemido.
What
can I say? Where did you find it? Agrika.
I don't know what
that
to say
you?
again.
Are you not dead? Mama, is that your son?
Yes, so it's him. Oh, it's him.
Oh, I said it. I said it. You know, every day I've been telling you that I'll be going round, and surely the information will come out.
You dare.
Aye. Agrika. I have a story. Let me sit. Hello. Agrika. I was moving around. And I heard it. That you were dying in a very thick forest. And a big tree. Why now? Are you a hunter?
Ask again.
Uncle, it's a long story.
Long story. But by the way, this story, my people must hear it. I have to let them know that what they did wasn't right. And you are back. The gods of our lands have answered our prayers. Aye!
Amber.
Ah!
What is it? Amber.
Something.
What thing?
I don't know. Spending me.
Wait. Oh, wait. Sorry. Let me. Slowly. Slowly. You'll be okay. Okay? Here's this way.
Now the gods of the land have made me rich. I have farmlands, I have cattle, I have wives and children all over. Now, I'm entitled to take over the land as my destiny concerns. The gods of the land have made me rich. I'm no more under you. I'm here to take over the land. Gods of the land have made me rich. I'm richer than you. I'll never be poor. Richer than you.
Ansha odo beba no afọ aka ketu ebu. Odo beba no afọ nkra. Oba ya beba no ma ewu kojo to.
Kwedu!
Aden.
Hey!
Me nya oden.
So the gods of ancestors. So now you pass in my house without greeting.
Wo, mentia kokon send you to sell. Ma men kan kire. So wunnim na oba ya wantwe ama me okrom ha. So wentu a me metu. Aden, kokon sa.
Hey! Edu! So because of this little small girl, that I spoke the truth. So you are passing in front of my house without greeting.
Small girl. Why will be am obi apenoda? Why will be am obi apenoda? The only one in kokon sa.
So because of that girl, that's why I refuse to be greeting.
Oh,
Abolu. Not that we don't like you, but your atrocity these days and your havoc is not pleasant at all in this community.
Oh yeah, tell him.
Is it because of this man?
No.
It's not because of the pineapple.
No.
I don't have food in my house again.
No.
It's not about food.
Are we not friends? Are we not supposed to tell you the truth?
We are your friends.
Pastor, come here.
No, you cannot say that. Are we not friends? We are your friends. So if we see something different about you, we have to tell you.
Hey! This is the reason why I normally run away.
Apollo!
It's just spirit pursuing
Apollo! So it is you that has been killing people in this village. Stealing from the farms. Apollo! Apollo! A rapist! Oh, Efema, hear this. Hey! Don't go to Efema. Don't go to
I can't take it again.